Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna create a small little project. We're gonna call it this image high. Uh, and I'm gonna use BS Code to open this project here. Inside this project, we're gonna need a folder for images, one for HTML, index HTML, one the other one is gonna be for the main JS, and to give it a style, it's gonna be the style .css. So, and also the image, you can pick any images you want, but this is the image I got. Um, all right, so right now we don't have anything in there. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create our HTML. So we're going to call this one image high. All right. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to do, we're going to create a div. Inside the div, we're going to name this Canon. And here we're going to pass the image. So images, actually, hold on, spell that correctly. Images there. Right here, and we're going to give it a width of 300 pixels. Create another div. This one's going to be image. Oh, I can't spell. Image ready. Let's see what it looks like. I'm using live server, so if you guys want to do the same thing. All right, so here we're gonna give us some IDs. This one we're gonna call it title. I'm gonna grab a span, put a minus sign. So whenever we toggle the image, we can click on this one for the minus to hide it. So we're gonna give it ID. This one is gonna be handle. The photo, I'm gonna give it ID of photo. And here we're gonna give it an ID of footer. So far, this is where we are. All right, so then next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pass our style. Right, so the first one in this, we're gonna grab this div. We're gonna give the width of 300 pixels. And we're gonna align it to the center. All right, cool. Let's see what that. Make a difference. Yeah, oh, because I did not save it. All right, cool. So it's all the text is aligned. We got the minus sign there, and we got the image. All right, so let's work on the next one. So we're gonna grab all those IDs. The first one's gonna be the title. Next one's gonna be handle. And the next one's gonna be the footer. all of these, they're going to be displayed in line. Look, I'm going to give it a width 20 pixels. We're going to give it a background color black, and the cursor, of course, pointer. See what we got there. Oh, we're going to make it sorry about that. I just click on the I messed up over here. I just meant to give it to the handle. Alright, so we're gonna do the handle like that. I'm gonna make it. Alright, let's see what we got. I messed up. Alright, so what we're trying to do is what we're trying to accomplish is to make this one to the left. Alright, so let me go back over here. Let me grab title, handle, and the footer. Alright, so let's give it a background color. I'm gonna give this blue color. Next one, we're gonna do color white. And we're gonna do font weight. We're gonna make it bold. So let's see what that does. Alright, so we got this little nice image here. Alright, cool. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna work on this bottom piece here, the footer. So let's do that. I'm gonna give it a font size. 10 pixels. I'm gonna give it a background color. Black. And we're gonna give it a margin top. -5 pixels. Alright, cool. Let's save that. Alright, so this is what we got. We don't have no gap, no space, and everything. Alright, right now the image, you click on it, it doesn't do anything. It won't hide it. So what I'm gonna do, yes, it won't do anything. Alright, cool. So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go here. Gotta let the application know about the main.js. So let's import it. Main.js, cool. Oh, before I forget, let me look for the CDN. I'm gonna grab this one, the little magnify. I'm gonna grab that. I'm gonna import it here. All right, cool. We got that. All right, cool. So now we're gonna save it. And here, once we have all of that, gotta make sure it's working. So make sure it's working. Let's close that page. Let's reload this. All right, so it's connecting. All right, good. So let's get rid of that. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do window. That'll load. So when it loads the window, you want to run this function. Grab the ID handle. So every time we click that handle, we want to toggle the image. All right, so we got to create that function. So it's going to be toggle image. So here we're going to create an if and else statement. So we're going to do if. What's going on with that? So we're going to do if. Let's grab that handle ID. If handle. I'm going to do HTML if it's equal to the plus sign. We want to do is we want to grab the photo. Show it. And let's make it 1,000 time here. And we also want to show the footer. And we want this to show. So in other words, if the handle is equal to plus, we want to show that. Okay. Grab the handle. That HTML. You want to make that equal to minus. All right. So now else. Footer, which is this one, the footer. We want to hide it. Also the photo. Hide it. Miss Lopez. Here we want to grab the handle. HTML, make it plus. So then, let's see. So let's go back to the page and let's see what happens. All right. All right, it's working. So it's tackling the image back and forth. All right, cool. So it's working. All right, cool. And I did not save it. Let's see. You see that plus, minus, plus, minus. Good. All right, so this is how you show and hide image. All right. So I'll try to post another video about manipulating the DOM with the JavaScript and jQuery. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.